How much you pay for one?
Holy shit. What is all this?
The pipe.
Look how ghetto this looks.
What do you look like? Where's in the floor? Look at that duty.
It does, right? Bro, what is this? Bro, is that oil? Bro.
Probably.
Is it good?
This is it. I'm gonna go put it on there right now. Yeah, huh?
They have to weld it for you.
No, they don't.
No?
No. Look. You got these clips, these pins.
They don't have to weld it up?
Clamps. I don't
No?
think so.
No?
I seen some guy just take his off, on and off.
Okay.
Yeah.
You have to sew the other one down.
Huh?
You have to sew the other one down. You have to
Saw it. Yeah.
with your little, the one that's broke.
Fuck that. I'm just gonna take the handsaw.
No. Use that also.
Like gold tips.
Yeah.
These I think have to be welded. Though I think no.
No. Yeah.
I think so.
Yeah.
Look.
Yeah.
I can't really clamp that on there.
You can put it. Oh no.
You think I can just shove it on there and it'll stay?
No. You have to weld it.
Maybe I can try to. I don't know. I
you have
think
to
these
weld
have to be welded.
Honey, you want chocolate? Huh?
She does
I
not.
got it over here. It's right here. Oh yeah, you like that?
She's a crackhead. She's a freaking crackhead. Hola amigos, ¿cómo está? Suscríbete a mi canal y... I don't know. I don't like this.
The camper. Oh, look. Sure.
Selena, yeah?
Okay.
I want this one to line up with this one though. So like that.
Right there. That's it. Right there. Mark it with a marker. Mark it with a marker. You hear me?
Mom?
What are you doing?
Now you go back inside because you don't listen. Because you don't listen, you butthole. You butthole.
Anyways. The troca. La troca. La troca verde. Oh shit! I almost burnt my fucking camera. Oh god, that stinks. The new ones. We'll see how this goes, boys. We'll see how this goes. About to put the truck inside. Nervous. I'm super nervous. Here's my truck. So lonesome over there. This guy's probably like, what the hell is this kid ripping? More than I thought, I'm not gonna lie. And look, cause like I thought it was a lot of rust. I can see some rust. Oh god, yeah, it's pretty bad. It's not that bad though. I thought it was worse. I just need to do a chassis cleanup, you know what I mean?
Actually, that's just surface rust.
He told me that not to cut the pipe like and do it myself because he said I could get like a muffler leak and my parents got all mad at me and everything. But they said I could have like a possible muffler leak if I did that. Is that true?
Yeah, we have it.
Yeah. Is it? That's. Oh my god, dude! Look at the Chevy, bro. That's so scary. Oh, look at those tires. Yo.
Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll
Huh? Sure. Really? Oh, you wait. I think I have the keys. Okay. That sounds good. Here.
Pull the dust out.
Yeah, thanks, man. Have a nice
job,
day.
man.
Thank you, man.
Yeah, you didn't really do nothing to it. You gotta put the pressure on that son bitch. I know you're gonna wanna put a lot of pressure on it, especially on the tail end of it. Okay, drop it.
Let's on it. Wait. Smell me. I'm so high right now.
What do you mean?
Yeah, bro. Sounds good. I like it. You like it? Yeah. Dang, the truck has like a whole new look in the back now too. You like it, Mom?
I'm rolling a lot with
Okay, ready? Okay.
We're ready. We're ready. Like.
Birthday to me. Happy
Day to Eddie. Happy birthday, dear Eddie. Happy birthday to you.
Feliz el 28 años.
Las que cantaba Rey David, hoy por ser día de tus santos, te las cantamos a mí. Despierta, despierta,
For coconuts.
mira que ya amaneció, ya los pajarillos cantan, la luna ya se metió. You're so selfish.
Well, baby, happy.
Oh.